So I'm back out in the garden area because I have some updates. So first, you need to see, sorry for the lighting, you need to see this guy. See this guy? This is Teddy. And he might look harmless, but he's not harmless if you're a garden, because that happens. Isn't that nice? Just... ugh. So, all the stuff I planted, he got out. Well, he didn't get out. He came outside, and we didn't realize that what he was doing outside was digging everything up. So that's cool. And I was upset about it. And so the guys felt bad for me and got me Jeff picked up some basil for me to plant, and some cilantro and sage and rosemary and mint. So now I'm gonna have an herb part to the garden. But here's the other thing. So I figured, okay, I have to get some new seeds. And finding seeds for things that I had planted before was difficult. And so we've been getting Amazon deliveries from Whole Foods. And so I ordered some seeds from Whole Foods. And what they do when you order from them is right before they bring you your order, they say, like, we don't have whole milk, but we do have, low-fat milk. Do you want to make the exchange and have the replacement? So all the seeds that I had ordered kept coming up before my order as, do you want the replacement? Do you want something different? Do you want... Okay. So I just kept saying yes. Sorry, there's bugs. Anyway, I just kept saying yes, which is how I ended up with some odd things. I have tomato pole cherry artisan tiger stripes blend. They're odd looking tomatoes, so that'll be interesting. Levi, come here. Someone's in the garbage. Levi, come here, now. Come on. Okay. Nope, come all the way down. Yeah, hi. Here, this is Levi. He doesn't go in the garbage. Anyway, sorry, this whole thing is turning into a mess, but I guess that's the theme for the video. It's a mess. So I also got Jimmy Nardello sweet peppers. I got some Golden Jubilee yellow tomatoes. Haven't really seen those before. I got a gourmet beet blend of lots of different colors of beets, which is kind of cool. And then I ended up with delphiniums, which not edible, but pretty, but I don't know where those are going. I got the irresistible blend of milkweed butterfly flowers. Again, doesn't go in the... I'll find, maybe I'll find someplace. Maybe it's gonna be just all kinds of gardening up around here. And then I got the Made in the Shade flower mix, which actually could work here because there's a lot of shade in the backyard. So anyway, I've had to kind of pivot my gardening situation, and not gonna let Teddy back out here on his own anymore because honestly I can't afford it. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. I still have my little lettuce growing in the kitchen, and some celery coming up, so that'll come out here. I might try and plant some potatoes. I'm gonna keep you updated, and I'll definitely keep you updated about... What's the weirdest one to me? The weirdest one to... oh, there's Levi. Maybe I shouldn't let him out by himself either. Yep, there he goes, right in the garden. Okay. This is not going well. Oh my god. Why? Alright. Yeah. So, this is how it all happens. At 2, Levi. Anyway. I'll keep you posted. Hopefully the next time I come to you from the garden, wait, it's like bad sun. Next time I come to you in the garden, it'll be with things that are actually working out. And anyway, if you'd like to see more of the gardening situation, please like the video, and I'll keep you posted with my super green thumb. So not green. What's the opposite of green? Yellow? I don't know. Opposite of green. My garden.